Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to add dual clock widget on home screen on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just tap and hold on the empty space on your home screen. From here, just tap on widget. Now just scroll down and tap on clock. From here, just scroll down. Now from here, just drag this widget to your home screen, just like that. Now from here, if you tap on the time on the widget, you can change the time on the dual clock, just like that. Just select the area and tap on change, just like that. And this is how you can add dual clock widget on home screen on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.